Woo, I'm so hot right now. The things I do for the YouTube life, like, because if I put on a fan, you would hear it in the background. So it's like I just have to deal with the heat. Just have to deal with it. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Simone. If you're a new face here, hello, welcome. Find a seat, sit down, get comfortable. We'll be here for a little minute. Things that I try to do on my channel on a regular. My videos are all beauty, skincare, DIY, vlog. I just like to dabble. I like to do a little bit of everything. So if you like to see a little bit of everything, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This video is going to be all about getting that highlight glow, that like real poppin' highlight that anyone can see from across the room. That gives you that natural, beautiful glow. When you live in such a dry place like Colorado, I believe that the highlight can just look really patchy and just not poppin'. I call this layering. I literally layer my highlight so that way it just has this glow from within, this pop. It doesn't look patchy. It looks beautiful all day long. It looks blended. I get a lot of compliments on my highlight and I just want to share my love with y'all. So here we go. Few products that I'm going to show you today. Today I'm going to show you all about 4 different highlighting products, and I just want to show you how I do it, what I use. So my favorite products to highlight with is Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. I just think the shade is phenomenal. It looks great on my skin tone, so that's why I really like it. It looks more on the natural side. Has a lot of those kind of like warm gold tones to it. It's very pretty. Y'all know how I feel about buying travel size. Always buy travel size stuff first if it's an option, just to see if I really like it, and I ended up loving this. I like to take a cream or a liquid highlighter first, and then I apply the powder second, and then I'm going to show you all what I mean. Let's say I just wanted to use the highlighting stick. Let's just take a look with my hand, right? Still looks nice, you know, pretty subtle. So that's the cream highlighter. And this is what the powder looks like right next to it. So that's what the powder versus the cream looks like. Now I'm going to place the powder highlight over the cream, and well, I'm going to do it on my face too. I'll also show you, this is also my NYX Born to Glow Illuminator. So this is a liquid highlight. This one has a little bit more of a pink tint to it, but it's the same deal. I'm going to show you guys the same thing. So I'm going to take this spot on my hand right here and apply the cream highlight, or the liquid highlight. Now you can see that. I know you can. I know you can see that gleam and that glow. So I'm going to take the powder again. Take the powder highlight, and this one is Soft and Gentle by MAC. And I'm just going to apply that right here, right next to it. All colors are still really beautiful, but when you apply the liquid and the powder together, it's unstoppable. It's unbeatable. Like, it's just a combo that you just like can't refuse. I'm going to do it right now on my face in real time so y'all can see with it. I like to use, this is actually like an eyeshadow brush. It's like a blending brush. It's not even really meant for highlighting, but I used to use a brush like this, like a fan brush. And I mean, I'm not hating on fan brushes, but I think I've just kind of graduated onto this. Like I think that, I don't know, I felt like this kind of attributed to my patchiness before. I mean, I don't know, I live in Colorado, so it's dry here. I have to protect my highlight at all costs, okay? I'm going to take my illuminating stick by Laura Geller in the shade Gilded Honey. This stick, though, it does feel very creamy. I don't think I would recommend this for someone with oily skin if you don't like the way that like creams feel, but if you're dry, you might like it. I like any kind of cream hydration my skin can have. So I just go to the high point of my cheek bone. Okay, and I add that there. I take my ring finger and I blend it, because no one likes the highlight that's just like where you can see where it begins and ends. Like, it needs to look effortless, and effortless glow, like you've been drinking water all your life. I probably should put my hair up or something. Like you've been drinking water all of your life and you've never stopped one day for anything. I'm going to take my brush, my little highlighting eyeshadow brush, whatever, swirling it around in the Gilded Honey, and then I'm going to work in my circular motions and just applying wherever the cream was. You can always just apply as much highlight as you want, but I think I'm probably gonna be stopping pretty soon. And I always make sure it's blended into like my bronzer and like whatever else that I'm wearing too. So it's balanced, kind of like math. What you do to one side, you're gonna do to the other. Yeah. I really do love this illuminating stick. Really one of my favorite products. So then you just take that ring finger. I mean, I guess you could take a brush too, but I always take the ring finger. I just apply the powder highlight on top. And then honey, you have that glow everybody been searching for. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And never forget to put a highlight on your tear duct. I feel like when you think something's missing in your makeup, that's normally what's missing. Boom, boom, boom. Shake it, up, down. And that, honey, is how you get that gilded honey, like, highlight all the way down the block, around the corner. People can see it. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. What's your favorite highlighting technique for your highlight to pop and show all the way from space? I hope you enjoyed this makeup technique related video about layering your highlight, making it give it a little even more of a pop. I even like to do this same trick that I did with my highlight. I actually like to do with my blush. I use a cream blush, or I'll even use like a lipstick. Just give me a little bit of color. I spread it out again with my ring finger, and then I apply a powder product on top. It sets it, it builds it, it's got more of a pop, more vibrance, more va-va-voom. If you're looking for more va-va-voom, girl, give that layering technique a try. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments down below. I always love to see what kind of love that you guys leave. I think that's all I've got. Until the next time, I'll see you in my next video. See you later. Can't get it open. I can do this situation. Use my arm that God gave me. Okay, so this is what, I don't even know. Actually, it's probably not a good idea. Same thing, I'm also gonna flop. And yeah. Damn, I'm hot in here. Gotta be straight, I feel like I need more concealer. Like,